Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Shankar Konda, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, KJ Somaiya College, Kopargaon. Firstly, I congratulate and welcome you all to this beautiful campus of KJ Somaiya College Senior and KB Rohamare Junior College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Kopargaon. As you know, the whole country is suffering from COVID-19 pandemic situation, so that the students are unable to come to the college and attend the regular classroom lectures. Therefore, the Department of Chemistry and KJ Somaiya College, Kopargaon has started the online lectures. Today I am here to discuss revised structure of FIBSc as well as syllabus of CH101 course, which is a physical chemistry for this semester. As you know, BSc is a 3 years degree course which has 6 semesters, overall 6 semesters. It means first year has 2 semesters, second year has 2 semesters and final year again it has 2 semesters. Overall, the 3 years of degree BSc has 6 semesters. As you know, every 5 years the syllabus of the degree course will changes, so that here the FIBSc syllabus has been changed from regular to CBCS pattern. The CBCS pattern means choice based credit system pattern. From June 2019, with effectively the Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune has started a credit pattern system from FIBSc. In FIBSc, there are 2 semesters, semester 1 and semester 2. Semester 1 has 3 course papers and semester 2 has again 3 course papers. Let me see here. In semester 1, CH101 physical chemistry of 36 lectures goes to 2 credits. CH102 organic chemistry of 36 lectures, 2 credits. CH103 organic chemistry, CH103 laboratory course 1, that is nothing but practical course of 46.8 lectures, 1.5 credits. Likewise, in semester 2 also, CH201 inorganic chemistry of 36 lecture, 2 credits. CH202 analytical chemistry, 36 lectures, 2 credits. And in this semester also we have practical course CH203 laboratory course 2, that is nothing but practical course 2 of 46.8 lectures, 1.5 credits. With this we can see here semester 1 and semester 2 both have 3 course papers with corresponding credits. Let we go to discussion for examination pattern. In this credit pattern system, this FIBSc and whole the BSc degree course has internal and external pattern system. Here we can see course name CH101, CH102, CH103 or CH201, CH202, CH203 have internal and external pattern. Total will be the 50 marks. Means internal for 15 marks, external for 35 marks. Total will be the 50 marks. It means every course of internal will be 15 and external will be 35. Total marks will be 50 marks for one semester. Means CH101, CH102, CH103 for semester 1, CH201, CH202, CH203 for semester 2. Each semester means 50 marks. Likewise, the total FY BSc chemistry subject overall for the year you will get 300 marks. Now here we can see in semester 1 CH 101 physical chemistry. Here I would like to tell one thing to you. I am going to teach you in this semester CH 101 physical chemistry. Let me discuss on these subjects. Let me discuss on the topics which are included in this physical chemistry. The first is chemical energetics of 11 lecture, chemical equilibrium of 11 lectures, ionic equilibria of 14 lectures. So these three topics are included in semester 1 of CH 101 physical chemistry course. Let's see in detailed study of this topic, what it contains exactly and what we are going to study in these topics. The first is chemical energetics, which it has review of thermodynamics laws, first and second law. As you know, we already studied in junior college some thermodynamics laws. We are already studied first law and the second law. That in this year, in BSc first year, we are going to revise these thermodynamics laws, first and second law. Again we are going to study standard enthalpy formation, bond energy, bond dissociation energy, Kirchhoff's equation, thermodynamic laws of third law of thermodynamics, absolute entropies, and some numericals based on the particular equations we obtain in this chapter. Next, chemical equilibrium. This is the second topic for in this semester. Concept of free energy and equilibrium that we are going to study in this topic. Gibbs free energy, exergenic reactions, endogenic reactions, perfect gas equilibrium, the relation between equilibrium constants, equilibrium conditions to pressure and temperature that we are going to study in this topic. Also, Van 't Hoff's equation, very important equation, Van 't Hoff's equation, this is also we are going to study in this topic. Finally, we have to solve some numericals based on the chemical equilibrium. The last chapter, ionic equilibria. This is very simple and easy concept. It has the points of the points that we are going to learn in this topic: electrolytes and types of electrolytes, degree of ionization and factors affecting on it, ionization constant, ionic product of water, pH scale, what is meant by pH and pH scale, common ion effect, buffer solutions, solubility product, hydrolysis and degree of hydrolysis, different salts of hydrolysis, and finally again we are going to see some numericals based on this chapter of ionic equilibria. So that I hope you are understood these three topics we are going to study in this semester in detailed study. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next lecture, we directly start the topics. Okay. Once again, thank you so much.